friends, I am Khazi Mujawwiz. Welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to learn top 10 Excel formulas for data analysis. Let's jump into the computer. So the very first formula is concatenate. This formula is used to combine the text. You can see here we can combine the name and surname in the full name. So how we can do that? Type the formula concatenate. Select the first cell which you want to combine with another text, comma, give the double quote, space, close the double quote, comma, select the another cell, close the bracket and hit the enter key. You can see that here the name and the surname is combined together in a full name, and you can replicate to other cells. So this is the way how we can use the concatenate formula to combine the text. The second formula is VLOOKUP, looks up values in vector or arrays. Suppose here if I change the name, so you can see here the hiring date is automatically updating based on the full name. So how we can do that? Using the VLOOKUP formula, equal, start the formula. What you have to look up? You have to look up full name. Okay, from where? From this array. Select the array. Here you have to give the column number that you want to look up the value. So the column number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the last you have to make it false exact match. For exact match, close the bracket and hit the enter key. Now if you update the value, you can see that it is automatically updating. So this is the way how we can use the VLOOKUP. Third formula is len. The len formula is used to returns the number of characters in a text string. So here you can see it will count the number of text string available in the full name. So how we can do that? Equal len, select the len formula, select the cell which you want to count the number of characters, close the bracket and hit the enter key. You will get the number of characters in a text string. Replicate to other cells. Then the fourth formula is SUMIF. SUMIF formula is used to add the cells specified by a given criteria. So here you can see that we have some numbers which is greater than 5. So how we can write this formula? Equal sum if, select the range, comma, what is the criteria? In a double quote, write the criteria. Close the bracket, hit the enter key. You will get the addition of the numbers which is greater than 5. The fifth formula is days. Network days returns the number of whole working days between two dates. Start the formula with equal. Use the tab key to select the formula. Type the first date. You can write any date. Here I am writing a previous year date. Double quote, comma, write the another date. close the double quote, close the bracket and hit the enter key. You will get that it will count the number of working days between the two dates. The sixth formula is substitute. Substitutes new text for old text in a text string. So here you can see we have substitute T with B. How we can do this? We have to equal substitute, select the cell, comma, you have to double quote the word T, comma, you have to substitute the word with the B, close the double quote, close the bracket and hit the enter key. You can see that the T will be replaced by the B because we have used the substitute formula, and we can replicate to another cell. You can see here also the T is replaced by the B. Seventh formula is MINIFS, MAXIFS. So what it will do? Returns the minimum or maximum value among cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. Here we are going to find the minimum number with the given criteria from the two ranges. Equal mean if s minimum range, give here two ranges, comma, write down the another range, comma, and the minimum value here give the 1, close the bracket, hit the enter key. You will get the minimum number with the given criteria. If you change it to 2, you can see here the number will change. The value for 2 is minimum is 93. The eighth formula is trim. So you can see here the trim removes the spaces from the text. So how we can write this formula? Start the formula with equal sign, trim, select the formula with the tab key and write down the word which you want to use as a that will compare the with the cells values and will remove the unwanted spaces. If you replicate the formula to other cells, you can see here there are many spaces are here, but we use here the trim formula that will remove the spaces from the text. Now the ninth formula is COUNTIFS, counts the number of cells within a range that meets the multiple criteria. So here we have the two ranges, one range for red and one range for England. So we are going to check the multiple conditions here with the COUNTIFS formula. To get this value, equal COUNTIFS, select the first range, within a double quote write the red, close the double quote, comma, give the second criteria, comma, within a double quote right here England, close the double quote, close the bracket and hit the enter key. Here you find that red with England we have two combinations here. Now the 10th formula is left or right. What it will do? Returns the leftmost or rightmost characters from a text value. You can see here the left 6 digits will be in order. It will returns the 6 value from the order client, and in the client ID from the right will take a 4 digit. So how we can do that? Equal left the cell number, comma, how many numbers we want to return here? 6. Give the number 6, close the bracket and hit the enter key. Now it will return only the 6 number digit from the order client, and you can replicate for other cells. Then for the right formula, equal right, select the cell, and from how many numbers you want? From right we want 4 numbers from the order client to be written. Close the bracket, hit the enter key. Now you can see that from right 4 numbers have been written from this cell, you can replicate. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel in case you aren't subscribed already. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.